no matter how much money you put for your defense, you cannot compete against China. They're so big, they can spend so much money. Taiwanese people does not want to be taken over by China by force.
Taiwan has developed itself beautifully as the center of semiconductor manufacturing. We have a significant portion of the overall supply chain being centered in Taiwan.
Anything that interrupted the supply, the flow of materials, the flow of components, the flow of products from China to Taiwan would affect the whole world.
Taiwan has a critical supply chain. If you break this chain, it's a hurt worldwide, tremendous.
I think that's a new concept of using technology, using economy, using interdependency can actually protect their physical security.